everybody, welcome to day 3 of the quarantine challenge. First and foremost, how you guys doing? You still staying sane? Still working out? Still staying safe? I hope so, guys. Remember, this is for all of us to exercise, be active, but also just to communicate and get through this together. So, guys, I need your feedback on a couple of things today. The second thing I'll talk about in the prize draw section, because we need to decide which hashtag we go with. There were 3 really good ones, and you guys are going to vote on that for me today. But number 1, I've had a lot of people giving me feedback saying, I'm already struggling. I'm still recovering from day 1. So I want you to tell me, because I don't want to stress you out more. I want to give you a workout so that you can get results, stay active, stay in shape, but also have fun, not stress more. So in the top right-hand corner right now, I want you to tell me, do you want tomorrow to be an active recovery day? We still do something, but it won't be as hectic as a normal workout, or continue with the normal workout schedule, okay? So simply vote continue or recover, and I will adjust the schedule for tomorrow. But guys, let's now get on with today's workout. So today you're going to do a high-intensity interval training cardio workout and abs. So this workout is very similar to day 1, but we swap out the 2 dynamic core exercises with 2 ab exercises to hit your upper abs, your lower abs, and your side abs or your obliques. So the workout structure, very similar, 5 exercises, Tabata style. You repeat all 5 exercises, and then after today's follow along circuit, I will tell you how many rounds you need to do depending on whether you're beginner, intermediate, advanced. But if you're ready, let's get going. So let's get started with our quick warm-up. I want you to stand up nice and straight, and then you keep your legs straight and go down, touching your toes, and then bend your knees into a squat and bring it back up. We're going to do 5 of these. It's not about how fast you do it, it's just about going through the whole movement, keeping your legs nice and straight, going down, and dynamically stretch out your muscles. Couple more. Now we're going to do walking burpees so that we can warm the rest of the body up even more. So get into a plank position, push-up position, then we do a push-up. And then you bring one leg up at a time, and you stand up. No jumping, no quick movements. It's just about going through the movements here to make sure you warm up your body even further for the workout to come. We're going to do 5 of these, 3 more to go. Push up, bring your legs up, really lean into each stretch and each movement. 2 more to go. Make sure you breathe throughout these movements. Get your mind focused, get your body ready. And then we're going to do 3 sets of jumping jacks to get our heart rate up nice and high before we get started, starting with 20. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Just relax here, stand on your toes, continue to jump up and down just to keep the heart rate going. Next, we're going to go for 30. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a quick break, and then we're going to do 40, and then we're going to get straight into this workout. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 40 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, let's get straight into this workout. So we're going to get started with high knees in this cardio and ab workout. So 20 seconds, everything you've got. Let's go. Swing your arms, lift your knees as high as you can, and go as fast as you can for 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Remember, if you struggle, just swing your arms. Your legs will follow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 10-second break and recovery. And then we're going to move on to our first ab exercise for today, which is a double crunch, so it hits your upper abs and your lower abs in one go. Let's get onto the floor, 20 seconds, let's go. Don't go all the way back with your upper body, you want to keep attention on your abs. 10 seconds, keep going. Remember, if this is too much for you, you can do some reverse crunches and normal crunches for 10 seconds each. 3, 2, 1, and 10-second recovery. Then we're going to move on to our second cardio exercise. And it's going to be normal jumping jacks, but now I want you to take that speed up. Ready? 20 seconds, let's go, as fast as you can. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second break, and then we're going to move into our second ab exercise, which is Russian twist, and we're just going to use a bodyweight variation. So let's get onto the floor. Lift your knees off the ground, and then try and touch the floor on each side of you, side to side, hitting your obliques here or your side abs. 10 seconds, keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. And then we're going to move on to the final exercise, a combo exercise, cardio and abs. And this is just going to be mountain climbers. So get down and then let's go. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. That's your first round down. If you're a beginner, you go for 4 rounds, intermediate 6 rounds, and advanced 8 rounds. Push hard and have a great workout. Welcome to the prize draw for today. Before we draw today's prize, guys, we need to decide on the hashtag we're going with. So in the voting section in the top right-hand corner, there are 3 hashtags. Tell me which one you like best, then that person will win the t-shirt. And from tomorrow onwards, we'll use that hashtag wherever we go on social media, whether you're on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. Okay, so please go and vote right now. Now, the winner for today's prize is the person on the screen right now. And remember, to be part of every day's prize draw, you simply have to comment on this YouTube channel, on Instagram below the video, Facebook below the video, and if you send me a video and you tag me at Peter Carvel on Instagram, you get another entry. So those are 4 potential entries into every day's prize draw. So don't forget to comment below today's video. But let's quickly now do my very high-tech way of determining what that person has won for today. We have my 4 pieces of paper, M for Mega Pack, N for Nutritional Pack, and S for Shred 10 Talent. And remember, all these packages we've created specifically for you guys at massively reduced prices during these 30 days. So, Shred 10 Challenge. So you just want a complete version of our premium 30-day home body transformation system called the Shred 10 Challenge. So please contact us within the next 24 hours to claim your prize. And that's it, guys. Let's quickly move on to the nutritional section so you know how to eat for today. So for your diet today, guys, we continue with meal plan 1. And remember, whether you're feeling tired or you feel you need maybe more calories, more carbs, you can go to the back of the manual where I talk about how to adjust the diet to fit your specific needs. Okay, so even though we're following meal plan 1, you can adjust that slightly and customize it to your exact needs. So don't forget about that. We continue with the elimination foods, the first 3. Tomorrow we'll add another one so that we can continue getting all of these extremely unhealthy foods out of our system. It's not just bad for weight loss, but bad for our health, bad for our immune system. And you really don't want to continue eating these foods on a regular basis. Every now and then, of course, we're going to have a bit of a cheat and eat something. That's just life. We still have to enjoy life, right? And then thirdly, guys, I want you to start stepping up to 3 liters of water if you can right now. And that's it for today. So have a great day, guys. Continue pushing, continue staying positive, and I'll see you tomorrow for either recovery day, remember you have to vote for me, or we continue with the schedule as is. Have a great day and stay safe out there. Bye-bye.